Welcome back to the Marketing Ninja Podcast with Manuel Suarez, CEO of Attention-Grabbing Media and author of #1 bestseller, Marketing Magic.
So going back to this chat over here, we now have a superpower clearly detailed. I'm going to zoom into this one. And then I want to have it help me find opportunities. So if we go back to this document over here, I'm going to say, give me a list of potential opportunities or ideas that will help me be able to produce more income by leveraging my superpower and putting my income goals, current income sources, and my annual income into consideration. You'll find all of the information you need below. So I'm taking this communication here and I'm giving the whole communication to the tool, the whole thing. I'm giving it the current income sources, how much money I make. These are all made up numbers. And I want to have it help me figure out how to grow that potential. I also want to tell them how much more I would like to make. You know how there's this saying that goes, you cannot hit a target that you cannot see. You have to know what your target is. If you're making a certain amount of money and you want to make a certain amount more, you need to make sure that you know exactly what it is and why you want to make that money, not just because you want to have more money in the bank. There has to be a purpose as to why you want to have more money. What is that purpose? What is that thing that's driving you? It could be a new car. It could be a piece of real estate. It could be, I don't know, maybe you want to invest more in yourself. You want to donate to nonprofit causes. You might have a purpose. Make that very clear. That's going to help you prepare for a target that you can actually see and then work towards that. So you use the tool as an assistant to help you figure out some ideas that you might not be seeing. They might be so obvious that at the end of the day, you might be like, I cannot believe that I didn't think about that before. I can't believe that. So let's say, for example, on this one right here, it's going to give me opportunities, right? Expanding consulting services, creating online courses and webinars. I deliver marketing services. That's how this company is built. So this is walking that talk. When you create something like this, you find an opportunity, you execute on it. Launching a membership site, publishing a book. I also did that. Hosting paid mastermind groups. Oh, wow. Affiliate marketing and partnerships, expanding Natural Slim's product line. I have my sister over here always creating new products, right? Always expanding the brand, consistently looking for, we got to make the brand bigger. We got to take my father's vision and keep on adding things that he wanted to add on this company, expanding the product line, franchising your business model. No, I'm not doing that. Thank you for that. I'm not doing that one. Developing a mobile, offering certification programs, right? And then I take all these opportunities. And if I wanted 10 more, what do? I need 10 more, right? So once I have one of these opportunities that I liked, that I really was like, wow, that's a good one. I want to come up with a plan to execute on that particular opportunity. Hosting high-end retreats, developing a marketing podcast. Yeah, thanks for that. Offering certification programs, creating a marketing software tool. Absolutely. Softwares are incredibly profitable. Make a lot of money. We should be able to do that myself. Okay, so now I'm going to go and check this one over here. Opportunity planning. Now I want to plan. I want to take this whole idea, this opportunity idea, and I want to turn it into a plan. Let's take this thing right here. And it says, create a detailed step-by-step plan to help me execute the below opportunity. Set the overall target completion date as December 1st, 2024, and set a target date for each step starting on August 1st, 2024. Include as much information as possible. Include any relevant links to tutorials or other information that will help me effectively complete each step. Assume that I've never done this before. So the opportunity is creating an affiliate network. Build an affiliate network that promotes products using the strategies you know work best. Implementation, develop a platform where affiliates can join, learn from your strategies, and promote products generating income through successful sales. So let's see what it does with this. So I'm asking it for a detailed step-by-step plan, right? Target date, August 1st through August 15th. Research successful affiliate programs, relevant links, define your affiliate program goals, design the products to promote, choose an affiliate program, develop affiliate program structure, create an affiliate agreement, design marketing materials, set up tracking and payment systems. I mean, there's companies that are built on this exact same strategy. So let's say I have all these 14 steps. If I want to turn this into a PDF, if I want to add my logo on it, if I want to do any of those things, I can do that. But you would always have something to do. Your team will always have something to do. You will always have a project to move forward. And that's what it's all about, execution. You have a dream, you have a vision, and then you get that into execution. And then your team gets aligned. So you can get a document like the one that I'm going to get right now. You can even ask it to have it be put together in Word, because if you do it on Word, you can get it edited, customized, and then you can get that document out to everybody edited based on what you wanted to put on it. So now I have this step-by-step to build an affiliate network, and it's going to download the document. And just like that, I have a PDF file. So if I wanted to add like lines at the end of the points so they can be delegated or assigned to somebody, if I wanted to turn it into a program, if I wanted to add a section for somebody to sign, if I wanted to add policies on it, whatever it is, it just turns a dream or a vision into reality. So you can move it forward, okay?
Hey, thanks for listening. If you enjoyed the podcast, go ahead, leave us a review and subscribe to tune in for future episodes. And if you're looking for a team that'll go above and beyond for you and your brand, go to talktoaninja.com today.